VF300. 10.47 cm in width, 16 cm in height. Supports PIN, face and refit identification mode. Be able to hold 200 face templates without dividing groups. 3.0 inches TFT touchscreen can make the settings be easily done. With TCP/IP and USB host, data can export to the software and generate reports. Usually, the suggestion installation height of VF300 is 1.1 meter to 1.2 meter. With the proper installation, users can get through the verification easily and rapidly.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
With the administrator enrollment, system can stop others to access the menu of VF300. Edit name. Enroll administrator password and save. Enroll face. Adjust the distance to keep the eyes inside the green box.
Eyes show on the box, please. Eyes show on the box, please. Thank you.
Save and quit. Only the administrator can access the menu with right password or enrolled face. Press 1:1 button. Choose key verification mode and input the enrolled password. Or just press the menu button and verify your face to access in. You can choose the right attendance state first, then verify yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
With the right access directory, you can check the device information as firmware version, device name, algorithm version, when this information is in need. Thank you for your time.